wanted to do a quick review of DipYourCar. This product is called HyperDip. These are the factory wheels on our 2019 Tesla Model 3. The kit came with 5 cans of spray, came with a product that you put around your tire so that the paint peels right off of it when you're done, and it comes with a couple of microfiber towels and bags that you stuff behind your wheels. You can see a couple things like this spot right here. This was there before I painted. Apparently I didn't see it, so it's still there. You can see right here where my wife curbed the wheel. It looks a lot better after it's been painted with this HyperDip, but if you look closely you can still see it, of course. There's one more spot in the back that she rubbed a curb. Of course I'm going to blame it on her. And this was after I used the HyperDip. So I came back out, put a bag back there, taped it off and painted it again real quickly. It came out near perfect. Now you're supposed to roll your car forward so that you can hit areas that you may have missed. You can see that that's a little bit of the factory silver showing through, which means I didn't do an amazing job of rolling the car forward and painting the undersides. Overall, this works way better than PlastiDip, which I've done, and looks great for approximately $70 for the entire kit. I also have 2 cans left over for fixing curb rashes.